it is 16-9, courtesy of DLSU so far in the first set of this game between National U and DLSU. Phil Kinglet, as we mentioned, in the middle of that crowd of Ateneans, victorious earlier today against the UP Lady Maroons. The rest of the players are there, some of the students, and if you look up, security.
Just making sure.
So DLSU serving here, 16 serving 9.
Demisilio to serve for Ramil.
Urdas. Naabot pa, no? Ni Gumabaw. And there you go. The, sabi nga na, dose of your own medicine.
Yep, this time Gumabaw blocked. 2 blockers for Gumabaw on that hit. So, NU gets a point.
Tadang serving now. Esperanza. Another net error.
Marceno with that net violation. You know, NU should really be careful with their errors. Parang very tentative yung movements
medyo,
ng
no?
Lady Bulldogs so far in this first set.
Yun nga yung sinasabi natin, how will they respond to that loss? Kasi alam natin sa sports, Mosey, you know, sometimes it really demoralizes a group and sometimes it's so hard to recover. And then there are teams or individuals who recover quickly, or quicker rather. Speaking of recovering, they're down 8 here. Coach Francis doesn't like it.
Lahat sila nakakalat na ng ganon. Yung gitna butas. Huwag basta hataw na hataw, gamitin nyo to. Yung gitna nakabukas, oh. Anong dapat nyong gawin? Lagyan nyo sa gitna, drop ball. Tara, huwag kayong manahimik tuloy. Hindi pa tapos yan. Okay? Wala na akong timeout. Naubos na, ha? Naubos na. Gawa nyo ng paraan niya. Cookie, gamitin mo yung gitna.
That's his second timeout here in the set. Napansin niya, it's either they get blocked or there are hitting errors. So, gusto naman niya maghanap ng mga konting diskarte, mga konting hulog.
Yun yung mga kailangan i-address ng Lady Bulldogs. If the game plan is not working, how will you adjust?
You know, speaking of game plans and adjusting, the benefit of having a game that you saw, and we had the pleasure of doing, Mosey, sila pa nalaglagan dito na aksidente, of that NU Ateneo game, is that if you're LaSalle, you watch that game. There were 2 replays of that game too on balls. Kahapon pinalabas nila at pati nung
The night after.
Yeah, after the game. So if you're LaSalle, you were ready. You were, because you
can
saw
pinpoint
NU at its best, did
what went wrong.
Yes, and right now, the first set is showing, Mosey, na parang pinaghandaan nila ng gusto.
Yes, and you can see that NU is at a loss.
At a loss, yes.
Diba, yung last point was just another gimme with that rotational error.
There's another one in front of Myla and Dindin. An 11-point lead. Sabi nga ni Abigail, di sila kinakabahan. They do look like it.
Alam pala, ba't nagkakamali kayo sa pwesto? Okay, ganito. Mag-receive kayo na maayos. Ulitin ko ulit. Gamitin mo yung gitna mo, hindi puro open. Walang hang-ups. Gamitin mo yung open. Sundin mo yung instruction ko, ha?
Well, that timeout said it all, Mosey.
Yung execution once again, diba? Yun ang nagmamatter because even if you have a game plan and you don't execute it,
Yes,
so
you're right.
sayang lang.
Sails out. "21-11 is our score. we have Kai Nepomuceno, the 7th best scorer in the league. And Coach Francis really still, even in terms of the formation, is very disappointed. And that's why nagkagulo sila sa formation eh.
Yeah, and look at that last play. Boom. Look at this. You had Dindin Santiago there. You had Urdas there. But hindi man lang na-check or na-touch yung bola ni Gumabaw. So, again, they were not in the right position.
Lusot, no? Lusot na lusot yung bola. Jen Reyes just judging this ball very well.
Very well. So, at the end of, on Jen's part, she's just doing her job. Ang problema talaga is how they can execute their offense.
Sabi mo nga, yung comment mo nga after the interview with Apple David as they return the favor from the service line. She can only do so much because she's just a libero. I say just because I'm not degrading that position. That position is incredibly important. What I'm saying is just limited yung function, especially offensively. Very tentative on the receive, Mosey. So a free ball for LaSalle to get them into set point. Chance here for NU though. Pablo.
Another long spike.
I'm worried about her, Mosey, that she might lose a little bit of confidence after that last game and after all the brouhaha after the last game.
Well, as you can see, tinatry niya ngayon na subdued yung, di ba? Yung mga laro niya. And even yung siguro yung the way she, yung spirit, di ba? Yung paglalaro niya. Pero it's not working for her.
Because it's not her.
Yep.
There's a psychology behind all of this, and right now it's not working for National U. Ah, great take by Urdas. Balik kay Pablo. Ayun, no? Walang confidence.
Diba?
You see that reaction. No confidence whatsoever. Her body language is not looking good right now. She has to snap out of whatever is bugging her mentally. Myla Pablo and the rest of National U go down and are only able to produce 12 points in the first set. Let's see how they respond in set number 2.